Do you have a green thumb? Do you like to grow plants? Recently, my family and I have planted a vegetable garden that's actually behind us. And I thought it'd be nice to have a little herb garden to go with it. So today I'm going to teach you how to plant an herb garden. Hello, my name is Rylee. I'm 11 years old and I'm in the Ag Ventures 4-H Club. First, you need to select your container, and it doesn't have to be huge because herbs don't have a big root system and you don't really need a lot of space. You also need to make sure the drainage is good. I have drainage on the side of I have holes on the side of my container. Now that you have your container selected, you need to select the soil you would use. I suggest you use a type of soil that's meant for you to put into containers. Now you're going to want to fill the bottom of your container with soil, so let's start doing that. You can use a shovel or your hands. Now that my container is halfway full of dirt, you need to make sure that your herb has the same sunlight and water needs. I'm going to be planting some oregano, parsley, and basil. We're going to start with the basil. Now I'm just going to set them in there, and then I'm going to go back over them with dirt. Make sure I have my shovel nearby. Take them out of the container, nice and easily. You want to be very gentle when you take them out of the container. Let me scoot this one over so we'll have enough space for all three of them. Now that they're all in, we're going to go back over them with dirt. As you're filling in, you need to make sure that all the dirt is to the top of the plant that you planted. And not on top of all the leaves. Now that all of your plants are filled in with dirt, you need to water them. So I have a watering pot. Now that they are all watered, you can buy little tags like this and write what they're called on them and then stick them in. So I'm going to write what they're called. And that is my herb garden. Hope you enjoyed the video.